Hello guys, first time in a long time, it's Jukesbox here and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be talking about 5 best apps that helped change my life that I think you must have. These apps range from productivity to mental health to mindfulness to education and for finance. But before we get straight into the video, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button below. You should also like this video, share this video, and I want you all to watch this video till the end because I know you're going to be getting a lot of value from this video. Let's jump straight into the video. Number 5 on my list is Floating Notes. Floating Notes is an application that allows you to quickly create sticky notes that overlay on your screen and are also visible while you're using other applications. This app is very useful for quick note taking. Floating Notes let you create stickers. You can stick them to the edge of your screen. Useful for quick note taking. Easy to use and simple. No hard configurations or unnecessary complex options. You can turn on visibility of notes on and off whenever you want it. Sticky Notes has features like create sticky notes that keeps visible over the apps, move the notes around on the screen, quick access to options with toolbar inside notification menu. Number 4 on my list is TabTrader. If you're a cryptocurrency trader and you're not using this application already, then you're missing out on a lot of features. This app allows you to track cryptocurrencies, manage your cryptocurrencies, and it has all the crypto market pairs that are tradable. This app also has chart analysis that gives you different tools like Fibonacci extensions and all sorts so that you can enhance your technical analysis. TabTrader is a trading terminal to buy and sell Bitcoin or altcoins on major exchanges. TabTrader is free all-in-one trading terminal for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies you might like. It has cool features like fast advanced price charts including Ikenashi, easy to navigate interface, API exchange accounts on all major cryptocurrency exchange, price alerts by instant push notifications, switching layouts with pre-configured user experience for faster technical analysis. So number 3 on my list is Loop Habit Tracker. Loop Habit Tracker is a productivity application and it might not really have much on it, but this app is very powerful, trust me. Loop Habit Tracker helps you create and maintain long-term positive habits, and that is just that about Loop Habit Tracker. As you create good habits and track their progress over time, Loop Habit gives you a beautiful, minimalistic and lightweight interface. You can see your habit score, flexible schedules, reminders, widgets, and there's no limitation to the amount of habits you can track. Loop Habit Tracker helps you be accountable of your habits every day, gives you detailed graph and show you how your habits have improved over time. Second place on my list is Fortify. Fortify is an application that is specially designed for those facing some form of addiction, specifically pornography. If you are freeing yourself from any form of addiction, most especially pornography addiction, Fortify is an app combining of various online support communities with cutting-edge research-oriented training and tools to help you move decisively in the direction of lasting, sustainable freedom from pornography. It has features like updated battle tracker that helps you track your daily victories and setbacks to help you find patterns allowing you to make adjustments and improve. If you are looking to get out of that addiction, Fortify is an app combining of various online supports. It has features like updated battle tracker. This battle tracker helps you track your daily victories and setbacks to help you find patterns allowing you to make adjustments and improve. You can also have allies on the app. Messaging your allies, send and receive secure private messages back and forth to people in your life you trust the most. You have real-time online support groups that are adult rating rated. You can also message a coach who is going to help you and see you through your process. And the first app on my list is Intellect. If you are looking for new ways to work on your traits or build new habits and behaviors, Intellect is the app I recommend you download. Intellect is a new form of psychological training packaged into bit-sized sessions that helps you work towards becoming who you want to be. Intellect has been the most powerful application I've ever used as it has improved my mental well-being. You can overcome personal struggles like procrastination, low self-esteem and anxiety, or develop by yourself by becoming more assertive, sociable and confident. This app helps you restructure your personal, social or work life by tracking the roots of your psychology through the proven scientific process. Intellect is your personal companion to creating a better you. So that is it guys for today. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, and even if you didn't enjoy it, still click on the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, and I'll catch you right in the next one. Bye.